Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're cutting through the noise to explore Shanghai's really remarkable journey. We're focusing on the Shanghai Municipal History Museum exhibition, which is, interestingly, nestled right at the base of the Oriental Pearl radio and television tower. Our mission, to give you a shortcut, to truly understand how this city went from a quiet fishing village to the global powerhouse it is today. We want to extract the deeper whys.
Exactly. And what's really fascinating about this exhibition specifically is that it's really far from your typical, maybe slightly dry museum experience.
Right.
Think of it more like an immersive journey. It's really designed, I think, to deliver those aha moments.
Right.
It showcases not just what happened in Shanghai's past, but really tries to convey how it felt to live through those pivotal times.
So digging a bit deeper then, what specific period are we really talking about here? What does the exhibition immerse us in?
Well, it definitely reaches way back. I mean, there are artifacts dating an astonishing 6,000 years.
Wow, 6,000.
Yeah, highlighting these early Neolithic cultures like Majiabing, Songs, Liangzhu. It shows human presence long before Shanghai was, even a name on the map. But the main focus, where it really concentrates its energy, is that pivotal era from 1843, when Shanghai opened as a treaty port.
Okay, the treaty port era.
Right up to the communist takeover in 1949. That 100-year span, roughly, is what fundamentally reshaped the city.
And that treaty port designation, that's more than just a date, isn't it? It signifies a really profound shift.
Oh, absolutely. It was the moment that effectively forced open Shanghai's doors to foreign trade, foreign influence.
Right.
It really set the stage for it to become this truly hybrid city. It laid the groundwork for its future cosmopolitan identity, that clash and merger of global influences. Pretty unique.
How do they actually show that? You meant it wasn't just dry artifacts.
Exactly. That's what's captivating the style of the exhibition. It moves beyond just, rows of objects and glass cases. It takes a highly visual, very immersive approach. They use real objects in scenes, is how they put it, and they enhance it with high-tech methods.
So like models and sound.
Yeah, a masterful blend. Cultural relics, stage props, detailed models, soundscapes, lighting. It all works together to sort of bring history to life right there around you.
And I heard the street scenes are where this really comes alive. That sounds fascinating.
Oh, definitely. That's a significant highlight. The incredibly lifelike recreations of old Shanghai street scenes.
Like you're actually there.
Pretty much. You can literally walk through these detailed dioramas, the Bund, Nanjing Road, the famous foreign concessions.
Wow.
It gives you this visceral understanding, of how that unique blend of East and West commerce and culture actually shaped daily life. You see these intricate wax figures.
Doing what? Like everyday things.
Yeah, depicting daily life, various trades, people going about their business, the whole vibrant urban existence of the 19th and early 20th centuries. It really does feel like stepping back in time.
Oh.
And, beyond these amazing recreations, the actual collection itself is incredibly rich. It really underscores Shanghai's diverse history.
What kind of things are we talking about?
Well, you'll find some pretty remarkable artifacts. There's a real cannon used in the First Opium War.
Real cannon.
Yep. And a traditional sedan chair. Imagine carried through those streets in one of those.
Yeah.
Even two impressive bronze lions that once guarded the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation headquarters.
Oh, the HSBC Lions.